To get started with using Zelle on Bank of America, you will first need to ensure that you have a Bank of America account and a mobile device with internet access. Zelle is a fast and easy way to send and receive money, and Bank of America offers this service to its customers through its mobile banking app and website. First, you need to enroll in the Bank of America mobile banking service if you have not already done so. You can do this by downloading the Bank of America mobile app from the App Store on your device, or by visiting the Bank of America website on your computer. Once you have downloaded the app or accessed the website, follow the prompts to enroll in mobile banking. After enrolling in mobile banking, you can access the Zelle service by logging into your Bank of America account through the mobile app or website. Look for the Zelle tab or link, and click on it to get started. You will be asked to accept the terms and conditions of the Zelle service, and to verify your mobile device. To send money using Zelle, you will need to add the recipient's email address or mobile phone number. You can do this by selecting the Send Money option and entering the recipient's information. You will also need to select the account from which you want to send the money, and enter the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details carefully before confirming the payment. To receive money using Zelle, the sender will need to have your email address or mobile phone number registered with Zelle. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification via email or text message, and the money will be deposited directly into your Bank of America account. You do not need to take any action to receive the money, as it will be automatically deposited into your account. It is important to note that Zelle transactions typically occur within minutes, and the recipient does not need to have a Bank of America account to receive the money. However, the recipient will need to have a bank account with a Zelle participating bank to receive the money. Additionally, there may be limits on the amount of money you can send or receive using Zelle, so be sure to check with Bank of America for more information on these limits. In terms of security, Zelle offers a safe and secure way to send and receive money. Your transactions are protected by Bank of America's online banking security measures, and your account information is not shared with the recipient. However, it is still important to use caution when sending money to someone you do not know, as you would with any other type of financial transaction. Overall, using Zelle on Bank of America is a convenient and easy way to send and receive money. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can take advantage of this service to simplify your financial transactions and make your life easier.